guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Athens, Greece. It is Wednesday, August 30th, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and behind me is Syntagma Square and the Parliament building. Here is the McDonald's, and here is Hermes' famous shopping walking street over here. So I'm going to walk down Hermes all the way to Monastiraki and see what's going on and what's changed since I was here last year. So let's go take a walk. For one, you got the free water here. Public water in Athens is very good and very drinkable, so it's nice that they have some free water fountains around. Genesis, nice car. So I don't really notice anything that has changed since last year so far. It seems to me though like there's more people walking around here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is usually the hottest part of the day, and not a lot of people want to come out. And last time I was here, I was looking for those guys, the accordion players, no thank you, the people that play music on the street and stuff, and I didn't see a lot of them. I don't know if, you know, the cops kind of drove them off or something and told them not to come here. I don't know. We'll see if they're back now. No thank you. Here's one guy playing a guitar. So last time I was here, I was looking for the kid with the accordion with the with the little cup that he puts in the way of people to kick it over, so they feel sorry for him and give him money. Because I got caught into that little trick a few years back. Thought it was pretty funny. I don't know what Minnie Mouse is promoting over here. When I walk down the street with my camera in my hand, and it's a white Sony camera, so it's kind of noticeable. Most people do not even notice it. And the ones that do, they kind of stop and take a look or comment to their friend or something like that, but it's not that often. So yeah, most people are more, you know, focused on what they're doing. They're not really paying attention to other people. And so usually at this little area where the really old church is, this old church is like from the 1100s or something along those lines. It's really that old. Usually there's some big gymnastics or production going on with street performers. Maybe they're going to come out later on in the day when it's cooler. This lady with her coconuts. Usually there's girls out here giving perfume samples out right around here. I can smell the perfume. I don't see the girls handing out the samples. Look at this girl with her old 1920s camera. That's a nice prop. So let's see how my favorite burger shop is doing over here. So at night, after people finish drinking and they want some greasy food to soak up that alcohol, they come out over here to either Pax Burger, which is a great burger place, or these street kind of, I don't know what you call them, but Greek wrap, burritos, and then they have some noodles. And there's more places over here. And so here's my Pax Burger place. Burger deal, $5.90 plus Coca-Cola plus onions. I really feel like getting a burger here right now, but I'll save it for later.
They got 2 buildings.
They got these funky fries, hot dogs, all this stuff. So yeah, if you got if you've been drinking and you need something to soak up that alcohol, definitely come over here. And right up there you can see the Acropolis. So at the end of this block is Monastiraki and the Monastiraki train station if you want to come out here. And these people are, I would say, imitating a little coupe place with all the nice flowers and different colors and all that stuff. Nothing wrong with copying what works. So here is Monastiraki. And if you come here at night or even in the daytime and you want to have a drink, you can go up to these rooftop places, 360 or A is for Athens, and get a drink and have a view of the Acropolis up here. But it's better at night because it's, you know, lit up and stuff. You can take some nice pictures. So definitely a good spot to relax and check out the views. But yeah, it's definitely this is the daytime. It's kind of dead right now. At night, this whole area is usually packed. So guys, that's a little walk down Hermes Street over to Monastiraki. I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And there's Mickey Mouse again.